Hello, it's Miss Lisa, your OT. All right, who liked that football last week? I love football. We watch a lot of it here. So, we have the sunflower. And I absolutely love sunflowers. My friend was so sweet. She brought me over this big bouquet last week of sunflowers, and I was really hoping that last week was going to be our sunflower. That's what we're on track for, but we had to move things because of the ransomware incident that happened. But anyway, that would have been fun to have my big bouquet of sunflowers sitting here, but unfortunately, they've now passed on and they wilted away. So we're gonna make sunflowers for our craft today. So let's grab it's gonna look like this. You're gonna have some circles, some sunflower seeds, a little baggie with some tiny leaves that I was kind enough to cut out for you. And I think I did. I think I cut out leaves for everybody. So let's go ahead and begin. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna cut out our stems first. Okay, super easy. You're just gonna go ahead and cut on the line. I'm gonna cut those stems out. And you need one small one. I'm sorry, you're going to keep two of the small ones and cut along the line. And you only need 1/2. Whoops, there it goes flying. You only need 1/2 for a big stem, because what we're going to do is we're going to do one tall sunflower in the middle and then two little cuties next to it. So let's go ahead and glue on that tall stem right in the middle. Let's put 3 dots, just a dot, not a lot. 3 dots on our tall stem and put it right in the middle of your paper, okay? Oh, I'm sorry, we're gonna do long ways this way, okay? So you're gonna put that tall stem right in the middle there, just like mine. Okay, perfect. So let's take our 2 short stems and put them on either side. Let's do some good spacing. This is good visual spatial. Let's put 2 dots on those. And I'll go ahead and put one right here. And for the other one, 2 dots. Again, not too much glue. You don't want glue pouring out the sides. You can kind of see it's pouring out the sides on mine a little bit because I think I put the too big of dots. Also, I'm doing this upside down. So there we go. So we got our 3 stems, and now we need our 3 leaves, and they only need about like 1 dot of glue. So go ahead and you can get creative. You can put it on the right side. You can put them all on the left side. You can stagger and go right, left, whatever you want. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my leaves on. You can put them up high. This is how I'm doing mine. You can put them up high. I think I might put this one down low, just to do something a little different. It's yours. It's uniquely yours. Okay. So we have 3 stems, and now we need 3 sunflowers. So I may cut faster than you. You can always pause it. You may cut faster than me, and you may have to wait for me to finish. But let's go ahead and take our time to cut out our 3 circles. Now, when I created these packets, forgive me, I didn't make detailed notes on who I gave the cutouts and who I didn't. So if some of you already have these 3 circles cut out, then great. If you need to cut them out yourself, that's fine too. So you can all adapt to the video, right? So let's go ahead, and you're gonna see when I cut these out, I'm keeping my cutter hand very nice and stable, and I'm turning the paper with my driver hand, which is the hand that does not have the scissors. It's the hand that's holding my paper. So when you're cutting a circle, I don't want to be seen elbows high in the air to get around the circle. We're gonna keep that elbow tucked in, shoulder down, and be able to cut around by rotating the paper. Another thing you can do too, because since there's 3 circles on the paper, makes it a little hard, you can have your mom or dad or yourself kind of square them off a little bit. I kind of did a, See how I did that? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut out each section, so it's easier to cut it out as a smaller section versus it being one big paper. I hope that makes sense. So see, now I've got a small section and now I'm gonna cut out the circle. And it's gonna make it a lot easier to manipulate the paper and manipulate the circle because I've got you guys some smaller circles here. So let's go ahead and cut around. See how I'm moving it with my driver hand here? And I'm doing small chomps. I'm not, maybe I should turn more. I'm doing small chomps. I'm not going, oh my goodness, because look at how I go all crazy when I do that. Nope. I am cutting very small. Bites. Okay. All right, got my one circle. Go ahead and you do yours too. Again, if I'm faster than you, no big deal. Just pause the video. All right, I am turning with my other hand to go around that circle. Really try to stay on that black line. Challenge yourself. See if your second one can be better than your first. And if your third one is even better than your first or your second, that's a win right there. And let me know how it goes for you. I'm really hoping to see some of these sunflowers when we're done. And if you can't post a picture, then just drop me a comment in the little private comments or the class comments and let me know. How did you like the activity? What did you stay on the line? I'd love to know. I'd love to know how it's going for you. I miss you guys. I want to hear from you. All right. Okay, so now we have 3 circles. 3 almost sunflowers. Okay, here's our snipping that we're going to do. We're going to see those lines there. We're just going to snip, stop, snip, snip, snip. Again, I'm rotating with my driver hand. Snip, snip. Because if I start doing this, then look what happens. My angles, I don't stay on the line. Did you see that? That was real legit, you guys. I was being silly and brought my hand up and tried to snip around. And look what happened to my cut there. I'm not on the line and it's all diagonal. So it's better to move your paper with your driver hand, okay? So snip, driver hand, snip, driver hand, snip. If you need to reposition it, that's fine. Snip, snip, snip. Okay, well, it's getting a little awkward, so I'm going to reposition it again. Snip, snip. Got it? Okay, let's do our last sunflower and snip on those lines. Okay, got them. Now, to make that look more like a sunflower rather than just a yellow piece of paper with some snips, let's curl them. So you can do the black side down and just do some folds, just like that, okay? Do some folds. Okay, do some folds, unfold it, fold it. I'm doing mine up in the air like this. It may be easier for you to stabilize your sunflower on the table, and I'll show you how to do that. But look, once it's all folded, look at, oh, it's looking more like a sweet little sunflower, isn't it? Okay, let's do it. Here's another way you can do it too. I want you to be able to see in the video. Is stabilize it on the table and fold it in. And then fold the next one in, and then I kind of like have to unfold so that they don't get caught up on each other. There's no right or wrong way to do this. It's just, oops, I'm folding it the wrong way. I'm gonna turn it over. See, if you make a mistake like I did and fold it in on the black, just turn it over and fold the other way. I apologize. But there's no wrong or right way to fold these petals. Just folding them so that it gives the illusion that they're like little petals and sunflower leaves. That's all you need, okay? So, and then I kind of just like cup it in my hand and squeeze it. See how it's looking like a little cup? Okay, last one. Black side down. How you guys doing up there? There's a lot of steps to this project, isn't there? I think these are going to be super cute. Also, did you get your regular bottle glue for this activity? If not, if you just grabbed a glue stick, go ahead and try to find some bottle glue, because we're going to be gluing some sunflower seeds onto our little sunflowers, and the glue stick, it probably won't work. So there we go. Okay. All right, now it's time. I think you've guessed it. I think it's pretty obvious. We're going to glue each one of these sunflowers on top of the stems, okay? So go ahead and put the glue on the back. Don't put it on the leaves, just right in the middle. You can do one easy swirl, one dot, not a lot, maybe 2 dots. We don't need a pond. We don't need a puddle. We don't need a lake of glue. Just a swirl. Just a little swirl, just like mine. These are turning out so cute. Just a swirl, just a dot, not a lot. Okay, fantastic. So, looking good so far. How's yours looking? These are so cute. What's missing? The delicious sunflower seeds inside, okay? Get your baggie of sunflower seeds, and I have plenty in there for each one. So, you can choose. I'm going to trust you guys out there. Again, no lakes, no ponds, no rivers of glue. Just a swirl. You really don't need that much, okay? So I'm going to show you. These are 2 different ways you can do your glue. You can either do a bunch of dots, like that one, or you can just do a nice swirl. Not a whole lot, okay? So, your choice, whether you want to do some dots or a swirl, okay? But what I want you to do is not take a handful of them and throw them on in the middle. I want you one by one. I want you to use that nice little pincher grasp and pinch and put them on and decorate your beautiful sunflowers. Take some time to make it look nice, okay? So no piling it on one another. Let's make this look nice because you guys worked so hard on all that cutting. Okay? So I'm going to put a couple more dots. I have plenty of sunflower seeds. Okay. Mine's looking good. It's looking super cute. How's yours? Okay. Oops. Too many. Oh, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to challenge myself. This is something you can do too. Put your baggie of sunflower seeds on the side that you usually hold a pencil. So this is my right hand, and I'm going to put my baggie on my right side, and I'm now going to put my sunflower seeds using my left hand. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Just challenge yourself. Change things up a bit. It challenges your brain and makes it grow. Makes those hands work a little bit harder and gives them nice dexterity and skill on each side. Maybe it's not challenging for you. I don't know. Maybe you're like, Miss Lisa, it's so easy doing it with the hand that I don't usually write with. It's called your non-dominant hand. I'm sure you've heard that before. Need a little more glue. I'm using my left non-dominant hand. And put those on. All right, I have one more to go. How can I challenge myself? I'm going to use my left hand again. Oh, here's another way we can challenge ourselves. Just for fun. I like to change things up a lot. I'm going to put the baggie, and I'm going to shake a couple of them out. And I'm going to do 2 at the same time. So I'm going to pinch at the same time and put on at the same time. Can you do that at the same time? Not pinch, pinch, on, but pinch at the same time, put it on at the same time. Let's give yourself a challenge. Pinch at the same time, put on at the same time. Pinch at the same time, on at the same time. Oh, you can even get trickier and cross over your hands, pinch at the same time. Maybe I'll have to uncross and put on at the same time. Have fun with it. You know what you could do? What I would love is to have you comment on the class comments or the private comments and let me know how you changed it up and how it was for you. If you did something kind of fun and creative to put your sunflower seeds on. Okay, whoopsie. Here's how mine turned out. Cute, I love it. And I actually have some leftover sunflower seeds, so I might fill in some gaps. But I'd love to see pictures of yours. Oh, did I lose a leaf? Oh, no, it's hiding up there. Hold on. Maybe I should have lowered it. That's okay. It's a peekaboo leaf. There's going to be a writing prompt. Our writing is Little Sunflower, how tall you grow. Yellow petal flowers, more seeds to sow. So look for the next video and we'll do some writing together, okay? So I miss you guys. I hope you're doing good and I'll see ya soon. Bye.